Hello friends, in this session we will study about the parabola. It is a part of a conic section. So let us see what is parabola, what are the components of parabola, and how we would derive the equation of parabola and their forms also. So let us see. First of all, let us see about the parabola. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and this one is origin. We see this is the standard form of parabola we are making here. So in parabola, this is the focus of parabola denoted by S, and there is another point P which is variable point, is the point P which is variable point, and this one is directrix of parabola. The coordinates of focus here A, this is the point A0 is the coordinate of focus, and the coordinates of variable point is always we take x and y. So we join SP and PM is the perpendicular on directrix, because the distance from vertex is at origin to the focus is equal to the distance of directrix. So the equation of directrix would be x is equal to minus a, or we can write this thing in this way: x plus a is equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. This is directrix. This is parabola. Axis of parabola. This is focus. This is the variable point. This is the vertex. So this is the basic of parabola. Here now we find out how we will get the equation of this parabola. So here the ratio of SP upon PM is called eccentricity. In parabola, the eccentricity is equal to 1. So SP upon PM is equal to 1. Therefore SP is equal to PM. Squaring both sides, SP square is equal to PM square. Now by the distance formula we could easily find out the distance between SP. The coordinates of focus of S is a comma 0 and the coordinates of P is x and y. So the SP square would be x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to PM. PM is the perpendicular on this line, so we could easily because the perpendicular is making from point P, the coordinates of point P x and y, and the equation of directrix on which the perpendicular is drawing is x plus a is equal to 0. So here we have to write x plus a upon the coefficient of x and y. Here is only x. The coefficient of x is 1. It is 1 square and PM square, therefore we have to put here a square. Now we see x square minus 2ax plus a square, it is the whole square of x minus a whole square is equal to this, and y minus 0 whole square is equal to y square. Now here because the 1 square is 1, so there is no need to take the denominator, so we will just square x plus a whole square we have to make. So x square plus 2ax plus a square. So here we see that x square and x square and x square will eliminate, a square and a square will eliminate, and we get only y square we keep here, and minus 2ax we transfer to other side, so it will get 4ax. This is the standard form of parabola of right hand side. This parabola is on right hand side, so we will get this way the equation of parabola whose axis of whose coordinates of focus are given a0. We can easily find out the equation of the parabola. Now there are some other things about the parabola. I explain you. If like we see this is a parabola and this is focus, so from focus so many chords may be passed through the focus, infinite chords may pass through the focus. These are called focal chord, the passing through focus. And the chord which is perpendicular to the axis, this one is axis, which is perpendicular to the axis is called latus rectum. Latus rectum, LR. So we can put here latus rectum is equal to 4a. So therefore we can write this equation also in this way: y square is equal to latus rectum into x. So this is also a form of we can use this form also if the latus rectum is given and you have to find out the equation of parabola. Now there are some other form of parabola in standard form. There is this is the right side form, there is left hand side form is also there. So in left hand side form it is the right side form, now we see left hand form. Left hand form of parabola is like this. Sorry, just a moment. This is the left side. The coordinates of focus would be minus a0. The form would like this: y square is equal to minus 4a x. This is the left hand form of parabola, standard form. Now upward form of parabola. Upward form of parabola is like this. The upside, the focus is 0a. So the form would like this: x square is equal to 4a y. This is the upward form of parabola. Now the last one here, downward form of parabola. You see here, this would be like this. So this is the downward form of parabola. The equation of this x is, because the focus would be 0 minus a, so x square is equal to minus 4a y. So in this way we could easily find out the parabola. Whatever the form is given, we have to compare with these all four forms, and we could easily diagnose which sort of parabola is basically.